Hey guys, how you doing today? I wanted to update you on my Aosbeic grow light that I got. I've been using it for about a little over 2 weeks now, and I really like it. My plants really seem to like it. It's my big anthurium, and then I have a couple philodendrons down here and some other plants that I've put under her, and so far I'm really liking this light. I like it first of all because it has these hooks, and it's got this hook system right here that hooks to the light, and then it hooks right above with these other hooks, and it has a pulley system so you can easily just push the button and work the light down back and forth however you want it, and that's great. It also has a dimmer switch right here, and you can see it also shuts it off. Snap it, it shuts off. Turn it back on, and then you can adjust your lighting from 1 to 10. That is the brightest. You can see how much brighter it got, but that is the brightest setting. Now, I haven't been keeping it on the brightest setting because I don't really need it, because it's in front of, my plants are in front of a window, even though it's a north window. So obviously they're not getting a whole lot of light, so I just usually keep it on, I think it is the 2. There, that's about the 3 setting, I think. But it's super easy to use, and it's LED, so it's very cost efficient. And the hooks and the pulleys make it super easy to adjust and hook up anywhere you want it. And the light is a bright light like sunlight, so you know, you're not staring at a purple light or having a purple light in your room. And I really like that feature too. So it is a really nice light, and so far I really like it, and my plants like it. So I'll be able to tell a little bit more once winter rolls back around and I'm using it, you know, all the time. But for the last little over 2 weeks that I've been using it, I mean, I can tell my plants are, you know, they're not missing a beat. So very nice light, easy to use. So I am very happy with it. So that's it, just a little update. Wanted to show you how I had it set up, how it works with the pulleys. These are the pulley systems right here. Very easy to use. So, and the dimmer switch, I really like the dimmer switch. That's great. So, alright guys, the description for this will be down in the bottom in my description section, and then I'll also have a link if you want to go check the lights out. They have this kind, and then they have several other options. So, alright guys, that is it, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Peace.